Learning Unit 3 Voluntary Instruments Lesson 1 Green Public Procurement. In this lesson we will cover what is green public procurement, categories of green public procurement, green public procurement criteria and requirements for the furniture, benefits of green public procurement, self-regulation, responding to markets, certification and compliance, marketing and communication. At the time when we are facing environmental changes such as climate change, pollution, and depletion of natural resources, it is crucial that the public sector also takes responsibility and contributes to solving those problems. Green public procurement is not just a fate, but necessary step towards a more sustainable future. GPP is defined in the European Commission's Communication Public Procurement for a Better Environment as a process whereby public authorities seek to procure goods, services, and work with a reduced environmental impact throughout their life cycle when compared to the goods, services, and works with the same primary function that would otherwise be procured. GPP is a voluntary instrument, which means that individual member state and public authorities can determine the extent to which they implement it. It can be applied to the contracts both above and below the thresholds for application of the EU procurement directives. Green purchasing is also about influencing the market. By promoting and using GPP, public authorities can provide industry with real initiatives for developing green technologies and products. GPP can help public authorities to save money, especially if the full life cycle cost is taken into account rather than just the purchasing price. According to EU Public Procurement Directives of 2014, green and social criteria are allowed to encourage buyers to choose the most economically advantageous tender rather than the cheapest. GPP is a key tool for reducing negative environmental impacts and promoting sustainable practices in the public sector. GPP categories covers a wide range of products, services, and works that public sector can procure in an environmentally friendly manner. Green public procurement is mandatory for 20 categories of the public contracts. One of the categories is also furniture. The GPP criteria for furniture are designed to help public authorities purchase goods and services with a reduced environmental impact. The use of the criteria is voluntary. The criteria are formulated in such a way that they can be, if deemed appropriate by the individual authority, integrated in its tenders document. The criteria are split in three broad sections. First section, refurbishment service for existing used furniture. Furniture is typically designed to be in function for a long period. However, the lifetime of items is often prematurely cut short for reasons such as office relocation, renovation, and redesign of office space. There are two approaches to procure refurbished furniture. Procure refurbished furniture products directly from third parties, or procure a refurbishment service for existing furniture stock in order to reduce or completely avoid the need to procure new furniture. Second section, the procurement of new furniture items. New furniture procurement should only be considered when refurbishment or refused furniture cannot meet the requirements of the contracting authority. Third section, which is the procurement of furniture end-of-life services, reused. When a piece of furniture is no longer required or is functional or aesthetical at the end of its life, it is typically disposed of by the most convenient route, often ending in landfill. The criteria are split into technical specification and award criteria. For each set of criteria, there is a choice between two ambitious levels. The core criteria are designed to allow for easy application of GPP, focusing on the key areas of environmental performance of the product and aimed at keeping administrative costs of companies to minimum. The comprehensive criteria take into account more aspects of higher levels of environmental performance. For use by authorities, they want to go further in supporting environmental and innovative goals. Adopting GPP criteria can lead to significant environmental benefits such as reduced carbon footprint, conservation of natural resources, and promotion of sustainable production practices. It also encourages innovation and can lead to cost savings in the long term through improved efficiency and reduced waste. GPP self-regulation involves the adoption of voluntary guidelines and standards by public authorities to promote environmentally friendly purchasing practices. Here is an overview how GPP self-regulation works at both national and international level. At the national level, countries develop their own GPP criteria and guidelines tailored to their specific environmental goals and market conditions. Those guidelines often include sustainable sourcing, using recycled or renewable materials, energy efficiency, limiting organic solid content and water emissions, waste reduction, hazardous substance, ensuring recyclability and separability of packaging material and furniture parts. Internationally, organizations like United States and European Union set broad GPP guidelines that countries can adopt. Those guidelines aim to harmonize procurement practices across borders, making it easier for companies to comply with multiple markets. Key international initiatives include ANEP's Sustainable Public Procurement Program and EU GPP criteria. So what are the benefits of self-regulation? Flexibility allows public authorities to tailor their procurement practices to be local needs and priorities. Innovation encourages suppliers to develop more sustainable products and services. GPP encourages companies to develop and market products that meet environmental criteria, those responding to the growing demand for sustainable goods. Here is how companies can align with the GPP and leverage it to their advantages. Understanding market needs. Companies need to understand the specific GPP criteria relevant to their products in the furniture sector. This might include using sustainably sourced materials, ensuring product durability, and minimizing harmful emissions. Companies also need to adapt product offering by using sustainable materials, use recycled and certified materials, avoid hazardous substances, and ensure low water emissions. Energy efficiency, design products that require less energy to produce. Waste reduction, create products that are durable and easy to repair or recycle. Obtaining relevant certification can help companies demonstrate their commitment to sustainability. Certification like ISO 40001 for environmental management or specific eco-labels can be crucial in meeting GPP criteria. Effectively communicating the environmental benefits of the products can enhance a company's reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers. Highlighting compliance with GPP criteria in marketing materials can also be a strong selling point. GPP promotes circular furniture design with an emphasis on the use of sustainable materials and extending the lifespan of products. This reduces the needs of new raw materials and reduces waste. GPP includes criteria such as the use of the recycled materials, the possibility of furniture renovation and reuse, and environmentally friendly production methods. In addition, it promotes innovative packaging solutions that are consistent with the principle of the circular economy. In this way, GPP contributes to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly furniture industry.